How to fix Facebook Marketplace not available. In today's video guys, I will show you how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps option. Here on apps option, search now for Facebook. Scroll down and click on storage. Click on now clear data. Click OK, and then you have to back. Click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do, go to set as a default and open supported links. This allow it like this, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another